guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing 7 dinner ideas, all made with groceries from Aldi. Stay tuned. If you like all things Aldi, I oftentimes have Aldi haul videos where I share what I bought for the week and the meal plan for the family. Some of these meals are from those plans, and you have given me some fantastic recommendations, so please keep those tips coming. I found this slider recipe from my women's group, and it tasted just as good as I remember. Using the Aldi Hawaiian rolls, I added their never-ending ham and some Swiss cheese slices. After adding some browned onion, I drizzled this with a mix of butter and Worcestershire sauce. It's a simple but savory dish, great for parties or just a dinner at home. For our appetizer night, I finally tried the Everything Bagel seasoning. We tried it 2 different ways, one on avocado toast and another with salmon. This is especially good if you can toast the bread a little bit, especially on breads like the pane Turano from Aldi. Of the 2, my daughter's favorite is the avocado toast, but if you don't like either, you can try this with regular cream cheese or ham. On the days where it's been crazy busy, we like to do meals like this. This is the Aldi Artichoke Chicken. The instructions on the Aldi Artichoke Chicken state to slice the chicken and loosely cover the tray with a damp paper towel before heating. Because it only takes a few minutes, I made the sides first. First, making the baked potatoes in the microwave and a broccoli salad of sliced onion with dried cranberries, with a light dressing of mayo, white wine vinegar, salt, pepper, and a touch of sugar. We split the artichoke chicken among my family of 3, but if you like a larger portion of meat, be sure to pick up 2 or more of these trays. This evening we had taco salads topped with crushed tortilla chips. My favorite ranch ever is the Marzetti Ranch, which sometimes goes on sale at Aldi. It's totally optional though. Sometimes we have taco salads with no dressing or add a bit of sour cream to give the salad a bit of moisture. I am so glad that Aldi carries organic meat products, and their grass-fed ribeye steaks are absolutely delicious. They sell them 2 per pack, and for the ribeye, it came out to about $6 per 8-ounce steak. We always enjoy grilling these, and they paired nicely with some corn on the cob and baked potato. Sometimes we like meals ultra simple. Ramen gets a bad rap because of its high sodium content, its preservatives, and low cost, but you can use half a packet or forego the packet altogether with your own seasonings. Adding greens like steamed broccoli or kale is a great way to get your veggies in, and if you like, you can top it with slices of boiled egg for protein. Lastly, we went back to the grill for tonight's dinner, grilling Aldi's Italian sausage. My husband eats these as is, but I like to slice these in half, put it in hot dog buns, and top with ketchup and onions. This was our first time trying Aldi's mustard potato salad, which had a bit too much mustard for my taste, but definitely had me intrigued to try Aldi's other pre-made salads. And that's it. Lots of simple meals this week. Let me know what dinners you've been liking lately. I love to hear your suggestions. If you like this video and all things Aldi and meal planning, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and take care.